So here we are, Cam, at the end of the negotiations for the establishment of the UN Science Policy Panel on Chemicals, Waste and Pollution to be decided.
Yes. No name.
But having got an agreement that there shall be a panel.
Yep.
And would you like to give any reflections on?
I can do. So we've been here from the 14th to the 18th today, isn't it? We lose track of dates, as I said. Which is the period of the open-ended working group, which is where the negotiations have happened. And we've got to the point where there are documents that can go to the intergovernmental meeting tomorrow and Friday. So that means the legal text is in such a position that it can be used to be taken forward. That's a win. That's a great success. Yeah. So we're looking now forward to a drink, because there's a fabulous reception being held by the Uruguayan government outside.
And of course you do know me.
We're waiting for a drink just to celebrate the fact that the first phase has been successful.
Yeah, and we can be confident that a panel will be established. Of course, we didn't get necessarily everything that we would have wanted, but that's the whole point of negotiation and how things work. But we have something that we believe scientists will be able to contribute to in the fullness of time in order to tackle these key issues and to bring chemicals, waste and pollution up to the same status that climate change and biodiversity loss have in the political world, and I think that's a win. That's a win.
We've had a full and active participation as the RSC. Tom's been chairing sessions, we've been influencing in the margins, we've been doing statements and preparing those with colleagues, and I had the privilege of doing the closing statement on behalf of the major groups and stakeholders, which was a pleasure. And so that's our work done for now.
Yep.
We could have a little bit of a rest after having just 2.5 hours sleep last night, I will say, as the negotiations were tense in the middle of the night. But we go back now to just have a rest and then start again at 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Thank you.